I'm an alcoholic and I'm gonna be trying an alcohol alternative for the first time. Kava nectar. Pacific Islanders have used it for hundreds of years as a ceremonial drink to promote a state of relaxation. More recently, kava has received widespread attention for its relaxing and stress-reducing properties. And it says the general effects of kava: calming, relaxing feelings, euphoria. Cheers. Kava soda. This looks like if you blew bubbles into chocolate milk. But alright, I'm gonna taste it. It's like making my throat dry. Yeah, my tongue is getting numb right now. Kind of what it feels like when you go to the dentist and they're gonna like pull out your teeth or something and they give you a shot in your mouth. It literally just tastes like you got a handful of sawdust and just, I'm gonna finish the rest because there's a lot of pulp and stuff on the sides. And then we'll have our second one. That is disgusting.
With kava nectar, which is a non-alcoholic root drink that you can actually feel. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. It is so good! Cheers.
That's a damn lie. Hers did look better than mine, but there's no way. I may be tweaking a little bit, but I feel a little bit slower. Like I'm chilling. It's almost like being high on a level like 2. I'm on my second dose. I can't imagine any flavor that would go well with kava. Like, I'm sure you can make like a sweet drink and then just add dirt flavor to it, but I don't know if you can make this flavor taste good. You ever done like housework and there's like dust and like chalk and stuff that's like inside the wall, like when you're drilling, like you smell it? That's exactly how this tastes. Not to say alcohol tastes good, because it doesn't. Yeah, I'm gonna make it sweet. I'm gonna see what, add some pineapple juice to make this taste good. Like, it just made it more sour and taste like dirt. Like, that's probably the worst 2 flavors you could possibly have. It's been a few hours and I was just letting the effects kind of kick in, see how I was feeling. This isn't like a feeling that like hits you later on. I think right when you drink it is the peak of all the effects that you feel. Here's the update. My tongue is numb, and I think that's why people get slurred speech. There's only one way to find out how much of this stuff I can drink. So I'm about to get hammered. Just kidding. It won't be bad. I'm pretty sure this stuff is just roots anyway, so it's not like I'm gonna die if I eat 20 carrots. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, I kind of like it though. For game nights or something when we're drinking, am I gonna pull this out? Probably not. But just on my regular days when I'm like working on videos or something like that, I feel like this is a nice buzz. Like, you get that numbing, you get that relaxation. I'm alone chilling type of drink. I mean, you can do that with alcohol too, but I want to bring this around no one, bro. They probably think you're a weirdo if they tasted this drink. They're like, oh, let me try. And then you give it to them and then they say, why would you ever drink this? Tomorrow morning, I want to try the kava with drinking black coffee. I feel like that might mellow it out. It might even be better because instead of having all this pulp going in there, maybe I should brew it with the coffee grounds. So maybe I'll get the effect still, but without consuming these little bitter like granules. Directly into my brewer. But it kind of mellows the flavor out. But the real question is, will it still have the effects? Do not feel anything from the kava right now. You probably gotta consume the actual leaf or something. Or maybe the hot water like kills the feeling. Something like that. But yeah, that was a fun experiment. See what I do next week. I'm thinking a new series I'm gonna try is reviewing food off Facebook Market. People always be selling their homemade food off there.